Bobby Byrne, everybody. Let's hear for Bobby.
What's up, friends? Lovers? Lovers of friends? Friends of lovers? Friends of lovers' friends? Lovers of friends' lovers? Enemies? Enemies of friends? Enemies of lovers? Enemies of lovers' friends? Friends of enemies' lovers? Friends, lovers, and or friends who may or may not be a friend, lover, and or enemy to each other or to any of the following, including, but not limited to, black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, long hair, short hair, some hair, no hair, facial hair, no facial hair, straight, gay, confused, not confused, in the closet, out of the closet, what's a closet, left, right, up, down, front, back, Denver, Fort Collins, somewhere in between. Or any combination of any of the combinations I've listed, or of the following. People who think this joke has gone on a little too long. People want to see how far it will go. Aries, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Virgo, Leo, Taurus, or any combination of any of the combinations of any of the astrological signs, cusp or not. Dog lover, dog hater, cat lover, cat hater. People who love to hate cats. People who hate to love dogs. Or people who may or may not love any animal or exotic animal or anything at all. Or any combination of any of the combinations I've listed. Or of the following. People who may or may not be a supporter of Donald, Daffy, Darkwing, the Mighty, or any of the ducks, really. People who may be a fan or supporter or not supporter of Joe, Jesse, Tanner, Danny Tanner, DJ, any cast of the Full House. I forgot the show for a second. That's not part of the bit. Or any combination of any of the combinations I've listed, or of the following. People who may or may not be weirdly obsessed with the French horn player of any college marching band. Or any combination of any of the combinations I've listed, or of the following. People who do yoga, people who are happy, people who are vegan, people who are happy, people who are not happy, or any combination of any of the combinations I've listed, or have yet to list. I say to you this, welcome. These jokes are for you. I apologize if I forgot anybody. But if you couldn't find a way to navigate to any one of those numerous categories that I've listed, fuck you. You're just being greedy at that point. The point is this: no matter what you choose to believe or not believe, or who you are or who you're not, doesn't matter. I respect you. I accept you. yada, yada. We need to appreciate some things in this life. Can we get on board with that? And I'm not talking like big things. I'm talking like little things. Like little things. Like you can cut your hair, and on some people it will grow back. Right? Like fingernails. You remember baby teeth? Like you have them, you lose them, and then your grown-up teeth come in, right? Like, but we don't care. Sugar, candy, molar gone, pillow quarter. Like that's it. Like that's the transaction. You just lost a part of your body and another part grew in its place. That's pretty fucking cool. What if that happened to other shit? Like, uh-oh, lost my baby arm. I have to wait for my grown-up arm to come. Makes puberty rough, right? I just got these. Gotta wait for my grown-up pair to come in. Whatever you do, don't go to an amputee and be like, your grown-up lips haven't come in. Yeah, that's not nice. It's not nice. Hey, you guys have been a lot of fun. Thank you. I've been Bobby Bird.